Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 and the iPhone 17 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into what makes these flagship foldable and traditional smartphones stand out. Will the Fold7's massive 8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with 2600 nits peak brightness outshine the iPhone 17 Pro's super bright LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED? How do their powerhouse chipsets, Snapdragon 8 Elite versus Apple's A19 Pro, really compare in real-world use? Which camera system delivers the best photos and videos? The Fold7's groundbreaking 200-megapixel main sensor or the iPhone's versatile triple 48-megapixel setup with LiDAR? And what about battery life, build quality, and those exclusive features like Samsung DeX or Apple's Action button? Stick around because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is the foldable future truly better, or does Apple's refined Pro experience still reign supreme? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 boasts an impressive 8.0-inch foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a staggering peak brightness of 2600 nits and HDR10+ support, making it perfect for immersive viewing and outdoor visibility. In contrast, the iPhone 17 Pro offers a smaller 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen but pushes up to 3000 nits peak brightness with Dolby Vision, ideal for stunning HDR content. The Fold7's titanium plate layer adds durability to its foldable design, while the iPhone's Ceramic Shield 2 and always-on display enhance daily usability. The Fold7's sheer size and foldability gives it a unique edge for multitasking and media consumption. Under the hood, the Fold7 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite with an octa-core CPU clocking up to 4.47 GHz and an Adreno 830 GPU, delivering raw power ideal for gaming and multitasking on its large screen. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro runs on Apple's A19 Pro chip with a hexa-core CPU and a 6-core neural GPU, optimized for efficiency and seamless integration with iOS. The Fold7's higher clock speeds suggest superior peak performance, but the iPhone's chip excels in balanced power and AI tasks. When it comes to cameras, the Fold7's headline feature is its massive 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS and multi-directional PDAF, capable of 8K video at 30 FPS and advanced stabilization, perfect for ultra-detailed shots and videos. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with a sophisticated triple 48-megapixel setup, including a periscope telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom and LiDAR scanner for depth sensing, offering versatile photography and ProRes video capture up to 4K 60 FPS. The Fold7's sheer resolution is a game-changer for detail, but the iPhone's video capability and LiDAR add professional-grade versatility. The Fold7 enhances its camera prowess with AI-powered features like nightography for low-light shots, macro capabilities, and advanced photo editing tools, making it a powerhouse for creative photography. The iPhone 17 Pro, however, pushes boundaries with smart HDR5, 8x optical zoom, ProRes RAW, and dual recording, catering to professional videographers and photographers who demand top-tier quality and control. Battery-wise, the Fold7 packs a slightly larger 4400 mAh LiPo battery, designed to support its expansive display and multitasking capabilities, while the iPhone 17 Pro carries a 4252 mAh Li-ion battery optimized for efficiency on its smaller screen. The Fold7's bigger battery is crucial for handling the power-hungry foldable screen, giving it an edge in endurance during heavy use. In terms of build, the Fold7 features a robust glass front and back with Victus Ceramic 2 protection and an advanced armor aluminum frame, balancing durability and premium feel. The iPhone 17 Pro uses ceramic Shield 2 glass on the front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, offering excellent toughness and a sleek design. Both are built to last, but the Fold7's armor frame is tailored for foldable durability. Both devices offer top-tier water and dust resistance, with the Fold7 rated IP48 allowing immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and the iPhone 17 Pro rated IP68 capable of withstanding immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The iPhone also supports Apple Pay with multiple certifications and features a ceramic shield back, adding to its premium utility and protection. The Fold7 shines with Samsung DeX for desktop-like experiences, ultra-wideband support, and multitasking features like Flex Mode and Drag and Split multi-window, perfect for productivity on the go. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with ultra-wideband Gen 2, emergency SOS via satellite, advanced spatial 3D video audio, and a customizable action button, focusing on safety and creative control. The Fold7's multitasking capabilities make it a productivity beast, while the iPhone prioritizes user safety and creative tools. Both phones offer similar internal memory options, ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, with the Fold7 maxing out at 16 GB RAM compared to the iPhone's 12 GB RAM ceiling. The extra RAM on the Fold7 supports its multitasking and large display demands, giving it an advantage for power users who juggle multiple apps simultaneously. Price-wise, the Fold7 commands a premium at $1999, reflecting its cutting-edge foldable tech and flagship specs, while the iPhone 17 Pro ranges between $1,099 to $1,500, making it more accessible for those seeking a powerful traditional flagship. The question remains, is the foldable future truly better, or does the iPhone's refined Pro experience still reign supreme?